Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix if screen dimension have changed in VLC Media Player. So guys, if you open any video and screen dimension is not appear properly, so you can fix easily. Just guys, you have to click on video, then walk cursor to aspect ratio. Here you have to select default or you can select another one. So set as your requirement this aspect ratio. Here are some aspect ratio combination like 1 by 1, 16:10, 221, 235 1, 5:4. So these are where guys you can select any aspect ratio, and best way just select default. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.